Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to the Friday talk show of with Global Electronics. This is your host Rajiv Kulkarni, presenting one more episode of Electronics Manufacturing Talks. Today we have an esteemed, I would say, a guest from our Silicon Valley of India, which is called Bangalore, and that is in the southern state of Karnataka. And so we'll talk a little bit about him in a couple of minutes. But before that, I want to thank all of you who sit and watch our show on a regular basis, and also share our link with your friends and colleagues and in the electronics community. The Global Electronics Manufacturing Talk Show is purely based on the electronics manufacturing and what are the challenges and what are the activities that we bring in on electronics manufacturing trend. So with that said, we would like to welcome Mr. Vedprakash, the director of DCX Systems Limited, and the topic is synergies for the opportunities. And Mr. Vedprakash, welcome to the show, and how are you this evening?
Thank you, Mr. Rajiv. Thanks for giving me the opportunity, and thanks to all the viewers for viewing this channel. Thank you so much. I'm doing
You're
great. Yeah,
great, great. Sir, thank you. Uh, Mr. Ved Prakash, before we start, interacting our, an
yeah,
active session, so
yes,
I wanted to check with you about your background so that our audience
okay.
know about your background.
Yeah, thanks, Rajiv. So let me just give a quick introduction about myself. So basically, I'm an electronics engineer.
Yes.
Passed out from BMS College of Engineering, Bangalore in 1988. That is like 37 years back. And have 37 worked for 37 years in various electronics company, starting my career with Bharat Electronics BEL and followed by Seagate Technology. So that was the largest EMS company at that point of time.
I'll be with you one
And
second.
then
Yeah, please
yeah,
continue.
yeah. So after Seagate, a stint of 2 years at Seagate, so I joined a company called Centum Electronics in Bangalore, which is a public limited company. I worked there for 24 years, followed by my stint as head of business development at Tata Advanced Systems for 5.5 years, and just recently joined as a full-time director at DCX Systems. Again, it's a public limited company who are into electronic manufacturing services, system integration, cable harness.
Wow. So
That's it.
I know that you are building systems and also, especially
Yes,
the integrated systems for various electronics end users, and
correct.
your primary business was cable assemblies, and if
Correct.
I'm not mistaken, that is how it was started. I think way
Yes,
back.
yes.
And so, how long this has been now? Now DCX is in the business.
So DCX is in the business from I think from 14 years.
Okay.
Yeah, so as you rightly said, I think they started in a small way, and so thanks to Mr. Raghavendra Rao, he started this business from scratch, from zero, and then build it up, scaled it up to the way where we are. And also, I should thank the entire team, the leadership team, as well as the management, as well as the employees there who have toiled
Mhm.
very hard to bring the company to where it is today.
Wow, that's incredible because
So,
I know,
yeah.
yeah,
Now
I
the
know that.
revenues is around 1100 crores, and we
Wow.
have, yeah, and we have top clients of like, Lockheed Martin, IAI, Israeli Aerospace Industries, Elbit, Rafael, Collins Aerospace, Boeing, etc.
So you're pretty much covered most of the aviation industries, I would say. So pretty much all in three to four continents.
Yeah, correct,
So
correct.
that's really good to hear because When we see these kind of activities with the not only the domestic aerospace industry, but you are also supporting the external aerospace industries. That's, I think, a great achievement. And
Thank you.
and I mean, I know that your background has been electronics. You have been in the electronics
Yes.
manufacturing,
Yeah.
and
Yes.
how you got into DCX.
See, actually, I had the entire spectrum of experience right from the component manufacturing, electronic
Yes,
manufacturing, PCB
yes,
assembly, module assembly, then
yes,
also the system integration. Like I headed the business development for weapons and sensors, followed by international business development of land mobility solution. So since my experience covered the whole thing and DCX aspiration to be become a system integrator company or no systems company for defense and aerospace. So that is the reason I joined DCX to help them to grow to the next level.
wow, that's very impressive. And uh, what is DCX stands for actually?
See, actually, the DCX is an American brand.
Okay,
So it was actually this company has been existence. DCX has been existence from past, I think, 40, 50 years in America as DCX Chol, who are
okay.
the connector manufacturing company. And then,
Okay,
yeah, so and then the DCX, one of the founder of the DCX, Chol, he partnered with Mr. Raghavendra Rao to start this company. So that's how, we didn't want to reinvent a brand again. So that's why we
yes,
continued with the same
sure.
brand name. Yeah.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
So, what kind of mainly, the services you offer? I know you mentioned cable and
Yeah.
connectors
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Yeah.
system integration, and but
Correct. Correct.
in order to define like the main
Yeah.
services.
See, as I said, so we will give a complete turnkey solutions. Okay.
Hmm.
So right from, I can say, the design for manufacturing, design for testing, and also we design and develop the prototypes also. We just started. That's a recent initiative. And of course, the PCB assembly, we will give both the SMT and through-hole PCB assembly. Cable harness, all types of cables, like, including power, RF, etc. And we do the box build, we do the subsystems, control cabinet, system integration, and also the MRO services for the equipments. And also we do the complete testing, including, the all types of testing, whatever testing you name it, we have it, including the environmental, halt, has, as well as the system level testing.
Wow, that's very nice. And how many SMT lines you have now? And or like, are
See,
there any like advanced technology that you're using
yes,
for the
yes.
PCB
See,
assembly? Yeah.
yes, actually, we have created two SMT lines
Okay.
to serve for both the ROHS as well as the non-ROHS process.
Okay.
And these are the latest state-of-the-art machines, so
Okay.
which are capable to assemble O2O1 components to 102 mm by 102 mm, including all
Oh.
types of BGAs. And like, you can name like micro BGA, or it can be metallic BGA, or even flip chip. Flip chip also this can assemble. So that's a specialty.
Hmm.
And also it can handle a oversized board up to 1.3 meters length.
Wow, 1.3
Yeah,
meters.
yes,
Wow.
yes. Yeah, and we have completely automated line right from, we give a lot of importance to the PCB cleaning or the stencil cleaning or the PCB assembled PCB. We have an aqueous cleaner, and also we will ensure that there is no ionic contamination by testing it through the ionic contamination tester. And also the reflow, we have usually the other companies may have like 10 zone reflow, but we have 10 plus 3 zone reflow. And we have selective wave soldering machine, We have fully automated conformal coating machines. We have automatic optical inspection equipment, and we have very high-end Sika Pilot V8 fly probe testing equipment, and also the latest model of Keysight in-circuit tester, 3D X-ray inspection system, and
Hmm.
also the stencil cleaning, depaneling, routers.
Wow.
And apart from all this, as I said, the main USP you can say is the electromechanical assembly and system integration and system testing, including the
Hmm.
antenna test facility. So all these are under one roof. And another important thing is they're all housed in class 10,000, sorry, class 10,000 or 100,000 clean room, I can say. So that is designed for 100,000 clean room. But when you measure the particle count, it's only 10,000 clean room.
Wow.
So, and also built with the complete traceability systems with the ERP tools. We have component level, batch level, lot code, date code traceability, both forward as well as the backward traceability.
Excellent.
So,
Excellent.
yeah,
So, how do you consider yourself different than other, people in the same line of businesses or market segment?
yeah. See, apart from the technical differentiators, which I just discussed now, I want to give you the other points as well. Like,
Mhm.
see, the other contract manufacturers, no, they stop at box build
Correct.
of the value chain. So, since we don't stop at there, we continue to offer the system integration,
Yes.
the the manufacture, repair, and maintenance, repair, and overhauling MRO solutions, and also the testing. And other important thing is we have very good experience in offsets. We have done more than 1,000. I think even for I can say for Lockheed Martin itself, we have done 800 crore plus crores of offsets business, and we have very excellent experience in offsets, and we
Mm-hmm.
have a good cash flow, and we are a zero debt company,
Mm-hmm.
and the order books are good. So we have around 2,850 crores of order book. So these are some of the differentiators which I can say, how what it differentiates from the regular contract manufacturers. And another
Excellent.
important thing is, to do all this, you should have a defense industrial license.
Yeah.
So we have a category A defense industrial license, which will allow us to do work for the top secret projects.
Okay. Okay. So that makes you definitely quite
Yes. Yeah.
differentiate,
Yes.
difference, a different company, and and also it builds a lot of confidence among your customers as well. So, yeah. Okay. So we'll take a
Correct.
quick small break and run this our small video, and we will
Okay.
come back again.
Sure.
In
Sure.
a,
Okay.
it's
Thank
just
you.
less than a minute.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. I'll stay.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome back to the Global Electronics Friday Talk Show with your host Rajiv Kulkarni. I'm based in Dallas, Texas, and right now it is 8 and 15 a.m. in the Central Standard Time of United States. So Global Electronics' main objective is to bring different expertise from the electronics manufacturing industry to share the wealth of knowledge that we have gained over the period of several years. And this is definitely a non-commercial channel and a non-commercial effort of bringing the community together on the electronics manufacturing side. There are a lot of process engineers, the design engineers, the electrical, the mechanical, and production engineers. So they definitely keep facing a lot of challenges, and a lot of activities is being performed to address those challenges. So our little bit of an effort to bring those challenges and address those challenges through this platform is what Global Electronics is intending to do. So I request whoever is watching, please do subscribe to the channel and also share the link so that your colleagues in the electronics field also can benefit out of this our small effort. So today's topic we are having with Mr. Vedprakash, who is the director of the company called DCX Systems Private Limited, Public Limited Company. It's a DCX Systems Limited based in Silicon Valley of India, which is Bengaluru, which is a big city in the Karnataka state, which is located in the southern part of India. So DCX Systems are predominantly engaged in aviation, aerospace, and defense products besides automotive and also other market segments. And they cater to big corporations like Mr. Vedprakash already mentioned in the first half of our show today. And let's get on to the next half, and that is the second half of the show. Vedprakash, welcome back again after this small break. So I know that you mentioned about the how you differentiate yourself. I mean your company than your other contract manufacturers in the market segment. You
Thank you,
mentioned.
Rajiv.
I'm sorry. Can you hear me? So okay. So basically, the next question I want to go to the next question is, now do you export to other countries, and basically which countries do you do that? We cannot hear you. You are not audible very clearly, Mr. Vedprakash. I think your
Is it
video
now? Is it okay?
yeah, now it is fine. Yes. Yeah. Can you hear me? Yeah, still you're not audible. Sorry, you're breaking in between. Yeah, your video is frozen. Probably you want to rejoin or something like that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now, yeah, you're fine. So my question was, do you export to different countries, and how many countries, and where do you export now your product? Again, you're frozen. I mean, if you don't want to keep the video, that's fine. You can just speak with the audio. That's also okay.
Is it okay now, Rajiv?
Yeah, yeah, we can hear you. Yes. So
Okay, okay. Yeah.
the question was, do you export now and which countries?
Yeah, see, as I said, 75% of the revenue comes from the exports.
Okay.
Okay, so we export to main country to which we export is Israel,
Okay.
and also to US, Europe, as well as South Korea.
Okay. Okay. Excellent. And what
Yeah.
kind of challenges are being faced in the manufacturing? For especially for aerospace and aviation industry when you manufacture the product.
The first challenge will be the BD challenge, getting the aerospace customers for the electronics outsourcing. They are very amenable for the mechanical outsourcing, but for the electronics outsourcing, they are very hesitant. And also, if they outsource, they may outsource only the lesser critical parts.
Correct. Correct.
So to first get them, that is the first thing. And after we get them to visit our shop floor, and then there will be a lot of audits, and they will ask for a lot of special processes, special equipments, and the qualifications. So, and then there will be some kind of proto build that we need to do, or the demo
Yes.
build, and then that has to undergo through all the qualifications required.
Yeah.
So these are, the customer engagement issues.
Okay.
So once we engage with them, I think I think they have to again go through a lot of special processes. Our people have to go through a lot of special processes, training, and a lot of, I can say, it has to meet this IPC Class 3 visual inspection requirement.
Okay.
So for that, they have to observe under a microscope, and like maybe around 15x to 20x kind of magnification,
Yeah.
and then they have to carry out some manual touch-ups,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a time-consuming system, and also the you see in the aerospace,
Yeah.
the main criteria is the thermal issues.
Okay.
So the thermal management has to be proper. The solder fillet should not have the voids more than 10 to 15%. Otherwise, there will be air entrapments, and even like the thermal pad, which are
Yeah.
fixed, to take away the heat from the components to the board.
Correct.
So it should be properly fixed, and there should not be any bubbles or air gaps. And there are a lot of, to withstand from the vibration or the shock. So it has to have component gluing, potting, and so many other. See, of course, so because of all this, then the question of retention comes. So you have to retain these people,
Correct.
and then definitely you may have to pay a higher salaries, and then you need to retain those people. So these are some of the
Challenge. So
challenges
for thermal, you
especially
mentioned thermal.
for the aerospace
You
industry.
Yeah, you mentioned about the thermal
Yeah,
materials and thermal compound, and I think I
yeah,
mean I'm just
yes.
taking a detour here. Definitely, I can help you on that because we manufacture thermal
Yeah,
materials for
yeah. I know. Yes,
aerospace and
yes,
all. So definitely, I will help you on that. So no worries. So now coming on to
definitely.
sorry, Mr. Vedprakash. Again, some.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
yeah. So now I think we are coming almost to the end of the show. So the last question
Uh,
would be, what are your plans for the future?
See, actually, let me just turn off the video so that
Yes, yes.
Is
Yeah,
it
I
better
think it's.
now?
Yeah, yeah. I think the audio is better without the video. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. See, the future plans. See, I think, as I said, my colleagues have scaled the company from zero to this level, and
Yeah.
then our future is to scale it up to a leading defense and aerospace company.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so some of the initiatives that we would like to take is so first one is the proto subsystem and also the test system developments. So that is an additional thing because today's proto is tomorrow's production.
Correct.
So that we would like to do it. And also we want to provide our offering not only to defense and aerospace customer, to
Mm.
even like high tech, industrial customer, medical and other high technology customers. It can be like data centers, servers, and so those kind of customers as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then,
So data center and servers you mentioned, that's very
uh,
interesting.
yeah.
That was my another question,
Uh-huh.
because are you planning to also approach this market segment
Yes,
besides
yes,
yeah,
definitely,
okay, okay,
definitely.
okay. So
Yeah.
do you think in India there is some kind of data center planning is being
Definitely. Yes, yes.
is already started, right? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
in Hyderabad, I think the large data center has been set up, will be set up.
Hmm. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Great, great. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very good to know. And anything you want to, before we wind up for today's show, you would like
Yeah.
to give any
So,
message to the, yeah,
yeah, just two more things. I think we also are looking to become a product company.
okay?
And then, we have done a joint venture with Delta for manufacturing and also co-development of radars and electronic warfare system.
Yes,
And also again with Delta for, the obstacle detection and collision avoidance system,
yes,
so, for the railways. So these are the two, the products with kind of collaboration with Delta, so that we are doing, and then yeah, and definitely see the one is definitely I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to you as well as the viewers.
thank you very much,
So,
sir. Thank you very
and
much.
also I would like to thank our customers through this, and of course the suppliers and partners.
Yes,
And also, definitely, I would like to thank Government of India for, the Make in India as well as a lot of measures that they have brought in.
yes.
Yeah,
Great,
and of
Mr.
course, yeah,
Vedprakash.
yeah. Thank
Thank you
you.
very much. Thank you very much for joining today after your busy
Thank you.
schedule. I know that Friday evenings basically, I mean, is quite busy as well as because sometimes you work on Saturdays too. So that definitely, but you have taken 30, 40 minutes of yours and able to share a little bit about DCX Systems Limited. And for the audience who want to know more about DCX Systems, please go to their website www.dcxsystems.com. Is that
DCX
the right?
India. Yeah,
DCX
DCX
India.
India.
Yeah,
India.com.
DCX. Yeah, dcxindia.com. One more time I will tell you that. That is www.dcxindia.com. They are one of the expertise in developing various types of products for the aviation, aerospace, and defense application, and also automotive. And as Mr. Vedprakash mentioned, they are also now diverting into the server and data center application. Mr. Vedprakash, thank you again, and we will definitely come back one more time after 6 months so that we have more wider spectrum to address, and also maybe by that time you would have already got into data center businesses. So with that said,
Let's
I
hope
wish you
so.
all the
Thank you.
best. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful weekend. And to all the audience out there, have a wonderful weekend and be healthy. And keep watching Global Electronics. Next week, we are bringing another topic with another guest. and for the electronics manufacturing. Thank you, one, and thank you
Thank
all.
you.
God
Namaste.
bless.
Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste. Bye.
Bye.